In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your opening balances in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to understand a crucial feature, I've got you covered. Setting up your opening balances is an essential step for managing your financial records, as it establishes the initial financial position of your company. Let's dive right in and simplify this process, one step at a time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and visit the Zoho Books website. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up and follow the instructions provided by Zoho to create your account. Once you've logged in, you should be on the main dashboard of Zoho Books, a hub that gives you an overview of your financial data, invoices, expenses, and so much more. Today, though, we're zoning in specifically on setting up your opening balances. Now look towards the top right corner of your dashboard and you'll see the Settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses the setup and configuration options for your account. It's the backstage area where you customize and manage different aspects of your financial processes. Under the Settings menu, find and click on Setup and Configuration. It's there for managing the foundational elements of your account. Once inside, you'll see a variety of options designed to streamline your business operations. Within the Setup and Configuration section, look for the option labeled Opening Balances. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can begin entering your opening balances. It's crucial that these balances accurately reflect the opening amounts for your various accounts, such as assets, liabilities, and equity. Entering these numbers correctly is the lifeline for producing accurate reports and understanding the health of your business. If you're moving data from another system, it might help to have your old financial records handy to cross-check and ensure you're entering the right figures. By now, you should successfully have entered your opening balances. Double-check each figure for accuracy because maintaining precise financial records is pivotal for running a successful business. If everything looks in order, congratulations, you've completed the essential task of establishing your opening balances in Zoho Books. This groundwork will allow you to effectively track your financial performance as you move forward. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly significant. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up your opening balances in Zoho Books. Remember, the better you maintain your initial records, the easier it is to make informed decisions as your business grows. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep those numbers in check.